The Abstemious Languardo Family. The Abstemious Languardo family did not let in yellow journalism, which is sensationalized news, when they had their family dinner. Yes, they had nice things, but the parents were selective with the information they kept in the bookshelf. The Medici family had the riches like paintings of Raphael. The mob had its wise ones who differentiated themselves from the rest of the mob. There were them who owned funeral parlors. The youngest's godfather, Jim, knew teenagers at the yearly festival at Mount Carmel, led youth programs. There were those strong men in nice suits who brought ether boats to the street most Sundays. But the Abstemious Languardo family needed little more than some good ideas to go in their house. And they lived in peace with 3 kids, Niccolo being the youngest. Their children learned to fly overseas alone so they could go see themselves better. Neighbors did them favors.